Welcome back everyone. As you can see, beautiful and stunning vista all around me. This time, well, my setting is different. I'm not in my improvised spiritual studio. I'm all the way about 600 miles from where I live, well, which is capital of Ukraine, Kiev. This is what you get when you travel 600 miles. You're up in the mountains, amazing, beautiful air. I mean, look at this, guys, look at that. Isn't it nice? Well, the reason why I'm here is not just to take rest and, you know, getting too tired from the city, but this place with the Carpathian Mountains is where I'm at. I'm about 700 meters above sea level. This place is known for not just its stunning beauty and vistas, amazing food, nice people, you name it. But also, since I'm in esoterics, I'm talking about spiritual evolution, and when you are on the path of spiritual evolution, when your consciousness expands on and on, going in a spiral, what happens, you need to know more. You have to expand your experience, expand your knowledge. And by expanding, it's not just about reading books and watching videos. It's also about finding places of power. And mountains, since they're high up, they're usually known as places of power. By places of power, I mean you have ascending and descending flows of energy. Ascending flow is good for you in certain ways, and descending flow is good for you. So you have power, you have energy rising from the ground, especially in the mountains, in certain places and locations. And you have energy descending from the universe, from the cosmos. And when they meet, you get the balance of energies. So, if you want to know more, if you want to see places like this, all around you, I'd recommend you to come and visit the Carpathians, because it's a nice place. And what else was gonna tell you? Right, places of power. I mean, these places are usually marked by some landmarks. You're talking about megalithic stones, you're talking about river gorges, or rocks, big massive rocks that stand out. What else? Yeah, pretty much that. So this is what I'm here for. I'm looking for those places. I know what they are, well, some of them. And this is where you get to recharge your energy. This is where you rejuvenate. This is where you don't age so fast. That's one of the tricks of trade, if you may. If you want to age less, you go up the mountains, because time flow is different when you're high up. Time flows much slower in the mountains as opposed to valleys and the low-lying land. Some legends have it that not far from here, where I'm standing, about 40 miles, was the original place of Dracula's grandfather. That's what they say, that's what the local legends say. So, see, enjoy a bit more. As you can see, beautiful, isn't it? And it isn't far, you know, 600 miles, but one day travel, and you get to places like this. I mean, it's beautiful. I just can't tell you how cool it is here, you know. So there you have it, guys. Beautiful vistas, places of power. This is a place where you can do yoga. This is one of the blessed places where you actually could do yoga exercises or any things like that, because it's so high up. You get higher energies, and energies are much more powerful as opposed to the cities, because you don't have other people around you, no other energies. Well, there's no negative energy around here. I mean, unless you're specifically looking for a place which is known for negative energy. But other than that, there are no overlapping fields, no unnecessary or unwanted information, if you may. This place is much cleaner, not just in terms of air, water, but also in terms of energies. This is like, I just can't tell you guys how cool, man. This is really, really awesome. This is, you feel so full of energy, energetic. And the more you develop, the more sensitive you become to the fluctuations in energies. And the more you can sense places like this, which have powerful energies. So, continue your spiritual development, continue on your path of spiritual journey, because you'll feel a lot more, and you'll see and you'll notice a lot of things that you haven't seen before yet, that you haven't been able to notice before, because you weren't sensitive enough. But now that you are, that's the side effect of spiritual evolution. You become more sensitive, you feel both negative energy, because you become more perceptible, but also on the flip side you get to feel more powerful energies, which are cleaner in a way, which are like really strong, and you can get to these places, you can meditate, because the connection is going to be much purer, much stronger, because you have ascending and descending energies. So if you sit in meditation in an ascending place, then you'll reach, let's say, higher worlds, at least in your meditative state, quicker and much better, as opposed to if you do it in a city with lots of other people, lots of other energies, you name it, cars, all this, how shall I say it, electrical interference, magnetic fields, you name it. Over here, beautiful. Apart from, yeah, pretty much yes. And also, in my last video, I forgot to tell you, I was going to address the issue of meditation. Now, some of you are wondering what it is, how do I do it, do I just follow instructions that I read on the internet, or I read in the books? No, I'll tell you something that you need to know. There are two types of meditations. One, which is what normally people refer to and define as meditation, is actually a meditative state. It's where you sit down, you relax your body, relax your spirit, relax your mind, ease your mind, and then you sit and visualize. You meditate on a subject. That is a meditative state. Now the true meditation is actually where you have to sit down, you follow the same steps, or you lie down. Some people prefer to sit down or sit in a lotus position. Now, pure meditation is where you let go of everything, including your thoughts, your emotions, your senses. It's a pure state of silence, total and complete silence. That's the state where you actually connect the high worlds to the universe through meditation, not through a meditative state. Pure sense of pure emptiness, when your mind is completely blank. Now this, the latter meditation, is much more difficult to attain, because you have to train not just your mind, you have to train your body to be able to relax and ease all muscles. Now that takes a lot of effort, because it's difficult. it takes years and years of practice to attain a state of total relaxation within your body and then within your mind and your soul. That's why meditative states are easier to attain, because you're meditating on a subject. Now, I hope this clarifies any misconceptions you heard about meditations. So whenever you see an advertisement for the greatest mystical 5,000-year-old secret of meditation and attainment of higher worlds revealed, come on, seriously? Don't believe that nonsense, because it takes an incredible amount of effort to attain that kind of state. And we're reading the book or following instructions. If you do it, I mean, are you going to achieve anything seriously? Well, you might achieve something, but it won't be what you really want to achieve, or want to have aspired to achieve. So, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please come visit this place in your free time, when you have time, because you know you're not going to regret it. You love it over here. Seriously. Get out of town, or wherever you are. Get out. Go out to a place like this. Beautiful nature. Sit down, relax, ease your mind, meditate, and you are gonna love it. And more importantly, is you're gonna stay and you're gonna pursue your spiritual journey. Whilst you're here, you can achieve more in the mountains, as you can do in the city. Now, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. You can like my video, well, you don't have to like it. You know, you can subscribe, you don't have to subscribe. Drop me a line. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.